Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Alright, today I am multitasking, doing a little face mask to make myself feel amazing. I can hardly move my face. So we've been doing special dinners, lunches, and now I'm going to do a breakfast smoothie for you guys. So just mix things up just a little bit. This is a smoothie that I got from Dr. Oz. So there's lots of healthy detox type of ingredients involved in this. This Dr. Oz recipe is part of a 3-day smoothie detox routine. So we're gonna get started cooking the smoothie so I can wash this off my face because I can't even speak right now. Yeah, all right, here we go. Okay, so the smoothie is complete.
Hello?
So, here we go.
Hold on, let me look at this. It's purple. What made it purple?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like the smoothie? Ready?
Cheers.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh, you know what? Because the cayenne pepper gives it a little, It's the cayenne pepper. And I did, Rhonda, if you're watching, I did put the right amount in. Stop. He's going to say, people are going to think it's gross now.
I don't like Bloody Marys. And I can see that this tastes like a Bloody Mary.
It does not taste like a Bloody Mary. What it feels like afterwards going down is great. So this is your dinner, hon. You're welcome.
It tastes like there's like some hot saucy thing going on here with some fruit and some like grass.
No, I don't taste any grass.
Well, probably like kale or something.
I told you there was kale. He's cheating and he's being a Fruit Loop.
It's a new flavor that you've never had in your mouth before. So you're like, whoa. Is this going to make me poop?
I hope so.
I was a little constipated today.
Not me.
For me, rating it 1 to 10 on the smoothie scale, I'm going to say in the 7 range for me.
I will say a 7 for me too. Because I like it, but I'm not like, ooh, I can't wait to have this one again.
But if it's super, super healthy, a 7's not bad. Because usually the healthier the drink, the less flavorful it is. So this one tastes good. It's really healthy. It's not ice cream and bananas.
If you really want a detox, you should try these. It's definitely worth it.
I can't taste the pepper anymore. Now I just taste the fruit. It gets better with each sip. Are there
But that cayenne really does give you a tingle. I do like that though. Oh, it feels really good. It's going down my throat. Maybe it'll clear things out up in there. You know what I'm saying? In my esophagus. Is that right? My esophagus, right? Anatomy lesson. Thanks for watching, everybody.